All right, number 9, we have sets A and B defined as following. And we want to find the cardinality, the count of each of these sets. And then we're going to answer some true-false questions about them. So A is given to be the set -26 up to -21. And so we can count these. There's not that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 items in A. Set B, it says the set of even numbers greater than 2 and less than or equal to 10. Okay. So set B, even numbers greater than or equal to 2. So we start with 2, and then we'll keep going until we get to 10, and it says less than or equal to 10. So we would also include 10. Okay, and this set is small enough to count 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 elements in set B. All right, so now this notation is an element. So when you see this little symbol, again, this means element of. And it's just asking, does the item on the left belong to the set on the right, or is it in that set? And so we are saying or asking, is -23 an element of set A? Is 23, -23 in A? And we can look up here and we can say yes, so that is true. This one is saying 2 is in B. So is 2 in the set B? Well, we wrote it out, and yes, we do have a 2. True, -21 is not in A, and we can see that it is in A, so we will say that this is false. And then it says -5 is in B, is an element of B, and B does not have a -5, so we would say false. All right, and that's good. All right, 10, we want to write each set in the indicated form. If you need to use the ... to indicate a pattern, make sure at least 4 elements are listed. So below, we're going to read that the natural numbers are just the counting numbers. That means that 0 is not a natural number, and negative numbers are not natural numbers. So just kind of reminding us of that. So the descriptive form, the set of natural numbers. The set of natural numbers, we start with 1. We are going to need to use curly brackets. And then we're going to say 1, comma 2, comma 3, and then 4. So you got to list at least 4. And then that means we'll put the ... because that continues to go on and on and on. And then the roster form is given 6, 9, 12. So these are multiples of 3. They're natural numbers. They're all positive. But we're going to see which one of these sets do a better job of describing it. So the set of natural numbers less than or equal to 6, that would not be correct. Set of positive multiples of 3 greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to 12, greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to 12. That looks good. Multiples of 3, greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to 12. This one looks good. Let me look at the rest of them just for good measure. Set of positive multiples of 3, greater than or equal to 12. Nope. Set of even numbers, and then 9 is not even. So this is going to be our best answer choice. And then it says good.